A very good morning, guys. This is Shivam here. A good news for all the video influencer and the content creator. Yes, my dear friend, Instagram has launched a new feature as Reels, which interface is really so simple and the effects are just awesome, guys. So let's begin here. Well, guys, so I'm on my Insta page. So if you have not updated your Instagram account, then go to Play Store and update it first, right? Then after updating your application, come back to Instagram and open that. So yes, let's go to the Reels, uh, search, and you can see the Reels and click that. So yes, this is the home page of Reels, similar to the TikTok, but little best and better than TikTok. And why this is the better, we'll be discussing in this video. So yes, I'm on my Reels home page, and you can see audio, speed, effects, and timer. So let's talk about audio first, right? So if audio having a two category, first one is for you and the browse. In the browse you'll be getting all those songs which is for you and not you can search in the browse like what which songs you need for your video, but while in the for you the all popular songs the content creator are using nowadays, that song you will get in the for you section. So in the browser section I chosen On My Way from by the Alan Walker. So I'm just setting that song whether I want to start from the very first or I want to start from the middle. So yes, then I came in the for you section, and there are so many popular songs which are going nowadays and people are using that. So let's click on the believer. So yes, for the believer I can start from the very start, or I can also start from the middle. So there is the facility where you can start your song. The next feature is the speed of your video, whether you want to record your video in the slow motion or the fast or in a normal. For the normal I'll click 1x. Then let's talk about effects. Effects having a sub effects also. So first effect, as you can see in the reel, having a sub effect, and that effect name as a subtle, which the sub effect first sub effect as a retro. Then let's start the sub effects one by one. The first one as a glow, then glow having a good one, then the lush, and the next one is the dreamy is looking also well, then the cool, then next one is the throwback, it's again quite well, then the disco, yes, that disco, and fade. The next sub effects is vibrant, it's also looking cool. Then the candle lit, yes, it's looking lit warm, and the dust, the last one as retro. Alright, so let's move the next. Aaj ka khayali pulao. Yes, so you can tell what's your khayali pulao. The next one is a Titu Mama from Bhuvan Bum. I'm a great fan of him, and you can just see the hairs and the mustache. It's looking pretty. And the next one is a figuring out. Might be you thinking something or figuring out, then you can use this. The next one is a macho man from the team Garvey. It's looking very dashing, right? Then the next come as the emoji, where you'll be getting all those smileys, heart emojis, sweet emojis, hand emojis, like this. So this again a good you know features were raining of the emojis. Then the next is the Garvey saying don't talking. Oh, what is this? Okay, I'll explain this. This is very important. And yes, before that, make positivity louder. Okay, as Garvey said, so I have to follow because I'm a huge fan of him. Then the mug life. In the mug life, this is the best feature in the reels. As you will just rotate your head from left right, the mug will automatically rotate as you start rotate. You can open your mouth, you can blink your eyes, and you can see the changes in the mug. So yes, this one is the best. Then come to the TV having also the sub effects, 01, as you can see the 03 effects as in the radio kind of, or 04 you can see. Then 05, a dog driving a car within a TV. The 06 has a no signal. And 05 lets mow your head, and the car will be driving by a dog, and you'll be, the, under the TV. So yes, it's a fun kind of effect. Then next come as heart eye. As you open your eyes to the up, the heart automatically come on your eyes. Then the next is a winter flurry. It's really again looking good. Then the eyelashes. Yes, just check my eyebrows and eyelashes. So yes, eyelashes, eyeliner, where you used to eyeliner, right? So you can just check the eyebrows and the eyelashes. And I'm trying to let act, but the purpose is only to present a good effects on yourself. And the next one is a doodle heart. You can see the kind of positivity, the kind of blinking hearts, and it's really looking very awesome. And the next one is a neon valentine, having again a sub effects, as cute, TM, love, and Zozo. So yes, this one is again a wonderful effect after that. So I really liking this effect, Neon Valentine, uh, having a good face, having a good blinking heart. Then the bloom light, and the next is the search bar. So search bar is basically those creator who has already created the some effects. You can use those effects in your video, and before using those effects, and before using other videos effects, please try to mention their names, try to give a credit of their talent, because if you appreciate someone, definitely it's going to boost your respect as well, and that the guy also. So I just choose this Mickey Mouse from that effect, and I'm applying on my face, and you can see it's looking very pretty, as the frame has covered by the Mickey Mouse, and also the effects automatically get on my eyes. So yes, you can also use the other features. So in the section wise also, there are the love section. In the love section you can use these people's creativity in your video. So let's see who's uh, getting touchy and who's looking touchy. Actually, I'm amazing, yes. I always try to see the positive things. So yes, I'll try, and let's see whether I'm amazing or not, like I am. So try it on your face, and yes. Come. Yes, it came. So I'm amazing. Yes, you can see the effects from the LUMV I'm using on my face. So uh, these all the features you can try. Also, you can change the section love, color, light, camera styles, mode, surroundings, sci-fi, fandom, causes, games, any features you can apply in your video. And again, I'm repeating my word, don't forget to give a credit of any video which you're using as a effect. Then again, this one is a wonderful effect as a fluxed. Yes, you can see, and let's try this one also. So yes, from the ultra kawaii. So yes, just try to tap to change, and it will show you the sub effects of this particular effects. As you can see, the TripAdvisor, then the Alukigeno, then next one is the retro and dust, and there are so many effects. Seriously, guys, the reels have explored too much, and I salute to Instagram and all the people which really make this and return this gift as a reel. So yes, let's go to the next, and let's try to make uh, a short clip and how to post that clip. Before that, the last option is a timer, so let's talk about a timer. In the timer you can fix your video timing, whether at what time you want to start and what time you want end. So basically that's the timer role, and let's make a short clip, and then I'll show you how to tag or how to post or how to save in the draft. So let's go and shoot a short clip. Okay, so here is the effect. Here I selected my song, as I already selected as a believer, and I'm confirming whether whom I selected, which song I selected actually, and whom I from where I want to start. I just settle that, and then I came to my next setting, that is effect. I'm recording this in the normal, so the speed of the video will be a 1x, and I'm trying effect as a doodle heart. So you can see the doodle heart as it started, and it's getting recorded. So yes, finally it's recorded. You can see in the video the heart is started blinking, the and yes, it's got uploaded in the home. Now you have to click on that. You can trim, delete, and share. So before share, I'll just check whether I want trim or not. But it's looking a short clip, so I don't need to trim because it's just a demo video. So I'll select overall clip, and I'll try to share. And if you want delete, you can just click on the delete circle. So let's share this. Before share, as Instagram has already the features given earlier, that you can push stories in the form of words, so you can write on your stories, you can tag on your stories. So yes, I'm writing. As you can see, this was the hold feature, guys, which I'm sharing. But yes, why I'm sharing, because I just want to tell that yeah, those features you can in the real post also, and a real video also. So you can see the sentence you can write any sentence. This is just a demo video that I am writing and showing you as a demo. So you can change the color of this, you can write anything on your video, like you have also seen in the videos there, the written letter came as in the form of quiz, in the form of any surprising words. So you can use those words in your videos. You can wish anyone as have a good day. So like that, anything you can write on your video, and you can go ahead, and along with you can change the font of the that text, neon, classic, and you can use the emojis. As I want be always happy, so I'll just uh, click on the happy emoji. So yes, you can see the man is dancing and looking very happy. So I'm using this on my video. So whether you want this, or you can use different also. So it's all depend on you, and your creativity, as well your requirement, what kind of a video you want to make. So accordingly you can use that. Along with, there are some drawing uh, features. You can draw this on your video, or later, or the emojis, or anything you can draw on your video. So that will also show while you post on the reel. in the reels, sorry. In the reel, yes, in the reel on reels, not wrong. Okay, so yes, you can draw the emoji. And let's so all features have covered, I think. So let's click to the share. And here you can use the hashtag, hashtag reels, hashtag Instagram reels, hashtag reels post, any a tag which you want to tag. So you can tag. And the right hand side there is a stories. If you want to share this post, uh, this reels post to your friends or fellow mates, you can directly click on the stories and can share. And also, if you don't want to share, then let me tell you first the hashtag. Yes, this is the story you can share. And if you don't want share, the save as draft, you can in the below the share button you can save as draft. And also you can share to the feed. So yes, guys, this was it from my side. Also, the second option to open a reel, before that you can check whether your video have saved in the draft or not. So just go to the home page, click the reel, and you can check. Yes, and you can edit again this. The best feature is again the draft video you can edit also. So yes, and you can discard this. The second way to open reels, and just slide to the right and you'll get in the below, or try it, the left hand side, try it, reels, click and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching, and please do like, subscribe, and share your opinions in the comment box so that I'll come to the next best video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.